Are you creative with finding names? Well, then I have good news for you, because in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $500 by just typing names online. Best of all, it is free and easy to do. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so really nice. You can actually make money by just being creative and come up with a good name, and you can get paid up to $500 for that. I'm actually going to show you two sites here today where you can go. It is totally free, really easy to do. So there is definitely a good opportunity to make some extra money by doing this. Keep in mind, if you're interested in building a long-term business and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But for now, let's get started with have a look at this extra income opportunity on how we can earn up to $500 by just typing names online. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we want to have a look at today is NamingForce.com. This is how it looks when we arrive here, and it says business name contest. We give you a great name, namers submit 1,000+ names, we rank all names, you choose a winner. So basically you need to come up with a good name, and then of course the end user will have to pick one name as a winner, and that is the person that will win also the money. So you can see here it works in 3 steps. The first one is they submit the business name. That's where you can come in, suggestions on your contest, and the step 2 is that they are actually they do the research, the ranks and the name submissions from top to the bottom. So they deliver it, and step number 3, your ranked name list with both trademarks and domain name availability is delivered. You pick a winning name and we pay the namer the contests. So you can see here 1,000+ names, definitely a lot of names to pick from. Ranked names, name checks and no duplicates. And here is some naming service portfolio. Now what we are interested in, if we go to the top here again, you can see the prices. Contest award 100, 150 or 500. Okay, this is the fee that someone has to pay, of course. Let's have a look at the contests. So you can see these contests are active right now. Community Impact Program, if I just open it in a new tab here, it explains exactly what this is all about, okay? And here are the product names that are added. So you just have to submit the name here. If you have a look at something else, these 2, 3 are private contests. Here is something, slimming diet wellness. Let's open this. So dietary clinic that has the following services, and they are looking for a name actually here. To be 5 or 6 lettered words. So they explain pretty much what they want, and here you can see there is a tons of name that is already applied, but that doesn't mean, of course, that yours might not win, so you don't know. This is another one for $100. These 3 are in voting phase, and here are some recently named businesses. Life Path Coaching, you can see this is super easy to come up with. Oak Point, Future View Towers, so Pinpoint Watering, Great Lakes and so on. So definitely worth to apply for NamingForce. And what you do actually is you just go to the tab where it says become a namer, and you actually just fill in the details, and you will be of course redirected. Here you can see some winners for 2019, private contest, $100, $125. These are users actually that has made the money. Here is a 60-day leaderboard, $800. So that is nice. You can even make more than $500. So that's pretty much it about NamingForce. NamingForce.com, just go there. You can have a look at the FAQ also, of course, if you want to check out the details. No need for me to go through it right here. NamingForce.com. The next site that we're going to have a look at is SquadHelp.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to SquadHelp, and you can see here, launch a naming contest to engage hundreds of naming experts as you're guided through our agency level naming process, or explore our hand-picked collection of premium names available for immediate purchase. And you can actually make money with other things than just names. You can see here there's taglines and slogans and also logo design. So I mean, if you are a creative and can create logos, you can definitely apply for here as well. Let's have a look here. Why SquadHelp? Largest naming community of business names, high quality and collaboration, agency level features. You can see here they do have some big brands here. How do name contests work? You launch a naming contest. This is for someone that arrives here and wants to have a name. And the idea is to start pouring with minutes, rate entries, and brainstorm with creatives. Okay, here are some names for sales. Here are some testimonials. So if I go to the top here, we can have a look at the active contests here. And look at this. Memorable name for a supplements brand, $500 for the winner. Need a logo, $500. Need for a name for a consulting agency, $300. Verazzi logo, $300. And explains everything actually. So you can see there is tons of opportunities here. So definitely worth to apply for, okay? That is about SquadHelp, and all you have to do is go to sign up here. You can join as creative. I plan to submit names, logos, design, sell names in domain marketplace. And all you have to do is you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or also here with your email address. Here, of course, you can find some more details, but you can have a look at it at your own pace. So these two sites definitely worth to sign up for, SquadHelp and NamingForce. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you might not get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're interested in building a long-term business and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below. Although this is perfect opportunity to get started with, to make a few extra bucks while you build your online business there. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button. Don't leave yet, because you'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both these channels. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. And you also find another cool make money online video to watch. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll